Global population continues to grow, and with it comes increased demand for products and resources from nature, such as water. By 2050, around 3 billion people may face severe shortages of this valuable asset. To reduce this impact, society, the public authorities, and industry must work together. The forest sector, which plants trees for productive purposes, believes in this cause and invests in technology to boost the efficiency of water usage. For example, over the past 40 years, the pulp industry has reduced the volume of water used to produce 1 ton of pulp by 75%. However, to understand the relationship between this industry and water use, we need to look at the beginning of the chain. Whether they're natural or planted, trees use water just like all living beings. But most of this water is returned to the atmosphere in the form of vapor that becomes rain or dew. The leafy canopy of trees and the layer of organic matter on the ground reduce the impact of rain, and together with the roots, allow water to infiltrate more easily. Meanwhile, exactly the opposite happens in degraded areas. When rain hits the ground, soil runs off into rivers and streams. In other words, steps taken to conserve water and soil are directly related. For this reason, the forest sector employs practices that target sustainable management of natural resources. Let's take a look at some of them. Trees are planted using a technique called minimum tillage. This disturbs the structure of the soil as little as possible. After harvesting, the leaves, bark, and branches are left on the ground, improving the infiltration capacity and also protecting and increasing the quality of the soil. On rural roads, dam containment systems and embankments are built to prevent erosion. In order to improve their forestry and industrial practices, companies in the sector constantly monitor water quality and quantity. In addition to these good practices, various legal mechanisms contribute to water management. For example, there is a maximum water volume a company can capture, and the buffer zones of natural vegetation around riverbanks and springs must be protected, where plantations for commercial purposes are not allowed. Practices like these create a better balance between production and water conservation, building a more sustainable future.